I just finished this chest and I wanted to take a quick video just to show you how to take the stile and turn it into an actual foot. How to mark this out and cut it. Just a quick video. Here we go. So to mark these out, I'm just going to come from the edge of where it's molded. I'm going to come over an inch like that. And then I'm just going to mark from the inside where the mold stops, and then mark just like that. And then, so we're going to have to make a little cut this way and then cut that off right there. Now, I cut them off freehand on the table saw as you saw me doing. Now, if you don't feel comfortable doing that, certainly don't do that. Probably not the safest thing in the world. You can also use a jigsaw, saber saw, bandsaw, all those to cut this. The reason I don't is because it leaves a very rough edge here. But do what you feel is safe for you to do. All right, well, I hope that was interesting to you. Thank you for watching.